Hello, I'm Eden, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 2 seconds. This is a new method that I've just made up, and today, April the 1st, 2022, is the first public release of this method. It uses only one simple step and you don't need to learn any new algorithms, so let's get started. I came across this method recently when I was playing with inserting different F12 pairs in different ways. The great thing about this method is that it only uses one simple step, so you can learn it extremely easily, and with practice I've been able to solve the cube in 2 seconds using this method. The one simple step is this. All you need to do to solve the cube is just turn the sides until each side has one colour on it. So for example, if this side has only red on it, this side has only yellow on it, this side has only green on it, and so on, you'll have solved the whole cube in one simple step. So with practice it might look something like this. Now before I get a flood of comments saying, wow, this method doesn't work, keep in mind that this video was published on April the 1st, 2022, if that means anything to you. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe by clicking the button down here. Thanks for watching.